class 7A. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And in this video, we are going to discuss about our third chapter, computer viruses. What is a computer virus? A computer virus is a piece of code or a program which is capable of copying itself and has a destructing effect such as corrupting the system or data. This all is done in our system. Once a virus enters in our system, it replicates itself and destroys our data, program files, or memory area. Its main targets are these three places. What are the shapes of the viruses? So here we are come through a fact that unlike the biological viruses, computer viruses do not exist physically, which we can see under a microscope. As we can see suppose for example, if we take a running example of this coronavirus, so we can see that virus under the microscope, but the computer viruses are never visible. Why? Because these are virtual viruses. These do not exist physically, but they only show the symptoms, right? It's a piece of code or a program, a malicious program. See, as told in the definition of virus, that it is a coded program which affects our system, files and data, right? And how do we know about these viruses that they are in our computer or infecting our devices? Like malfunctioning of our computer or laptop, loss of data and improper working of the commands leads us to the conclusion that our system is infected by virus. Here are some types of viruses. For types of viruses, I would like you to see this video for explanation. Here, see through it.
Viruses, worms, and Trojan horses are all malicious programs that can cause damage to your computer, but there are differences among these three. What is a virus? A computer attaches itself to a program or file, enabling it to spread from one computer to another, leaving infections as it travels. Like a human virus, a computer virus can range in severity. Some may only cause mildly annoying effects, while others can damage your hardware, software, or files. Almost all viruses are attached to an executable file, which means the virus may exist on your computer, but it actually cannot infect your computer unless you or open the malicious program. It is important to note that a virus cannot spread without a human action, such as running the infected program. So what is a worm? A worm is similar to a computer virus by design and is considered to be a subclass of virus. Worms spread from computer to computer, but unlike virus, it has the capability to travel without any human action. The biggest danger with a worm is its capability to replicate itself on your system. So rather than your computer sending out a single worm, it sends out hundreds or thousands of copies of itself, creating a huge, devastating effect. One example would be for a worm to send out a copy of itself to everyone listed in your email address book. Then the worm replicates and sends itself out to everyone listed in each of the receiver's address book, and the manifest continues on down the line. Due to the copying nature of a worm and its capability to travel across networks, the end result in most cases is that the worm consumes too much system memory or network bandwidth, causing the web servers, network servers, and the individual computers to stop responding. So what is a Trojan horse? The Trojan horse at first will appear to be a useful software, but will actually do damage once installed or run on your computer. The receiving end of the Trojan horse are usually tricked into opening them because they appear to be receiving legitimate software or files from a legitimate source. Some Trojans are designed to be annoying, like changing your desktop, adding silly active desktop icons, or they can cause serious damage by deleting files or throwing information on your system. Trojans are also known to create a backdoor on your computer that gives malicious users access to your system, possibly allowing confidential or personal information to be compromised. Unlike viruses and worms, Trojans do not reproduce by infecting other files, nor do they
Self-replicate them. Okay, class. So these were for now. Inshallah, see you again in the next video with more information about virus.